In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove unsubscribed and bounced emails from Mailchimp. Whether you're trying to keep your mailing list clean, improve your email campaign performance, or just tidy up your account, managing your audience effectively is a crucial step. Unsubscribed and bounced emails can take up space in your account and even skew your campaign analytics. So it's important to regularly review and clean up your contacts. Don't worry, this process is simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with confidence. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials for the account that holds the mailing list you'd like to clean up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your Mailchimp activities. From here, we'll move on to managing your audience. Next, look at the side navigation bar on your left and click on the tab labeled Audience. This is where all your subscriber information is stored, and it's the section where you can view and manage your contacts. Once you click on Audience, you'll be taken to an overview of your audience or mailing list. If you have multiple lists, make sure you've selected the one you want to work with. Now that you're in the right place, you'll see a list of all your audience members displayed as contacts. This list includes subscribers, unsubscribed contacts, bounced emails, and other categories. To make things easier, you can use filters to identify the contacts you want to remove. Specifically, you're looking for contacts labeled as unsubscribed or bounced. Unsubscribed contacts are people who have opted out of receiving your emails, while bounced emails are those that couldn't be delivered, often due to invalid or inactive email addresses. You can scroll through the list manually to find these contacts, or you can use the filter options to narrow down the list. Filters can save you time, especially if you have a large audience, by showing only the unsubscribed or bounced emails. Once you've identified the contacts you want to delete, it's time to select them. To do this, click the checkbox next to each contact's name. You can select multiple contacts at once, which is especially helpful if you're working with a long list. Take your time to ensure you're selecting only the contacts you want to remove. After selecting your contacts, look for the three-dot menu icon next to one of the selected contacts. This icon is sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From this menu, choose the Delete option. This is the action that will allow you to permanently remove the selected contacts from your list. At this point, Mailchimp will likely display a confirmation prompt to ensure you really want to delete these contacts. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to review the list of contacts you've selected. Once you're sure, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and finalize the deletion process. And that's it! You've successfully removed unsubscribed and bounced emails from your Mailchimp list. By doing this regularly, you can maintain a clean and efficient audience, which not only helps with organization but also improves your email deliverability and analytics. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.